Hello guys, how are you today? Good to see you one more time. Okay, let's learn English. Okay, with me, very easy, very simple. So guys, previously we were telling definitions and also we were telling places in town. So here is the main slide that I was presenting to you and we were telling, okay, those places, public places. And then, okay, after this picture, we were saying the definitions on those places. So what we're gonna do today, okay, basically is how to use there is and also there are. So here we have some examples using there is, and here on the other side we have some examples using there are. So let's take a look at the examples. It says, there is a lemon, there is a house, there is an onion, there is an airport, there is some cake, there is some flour. That's the way that we use it is. And the other side, there are some chips, there are some trees, there are two apples, there are two boys. So basically there is for the singular and there are is for the plural. But let me show you the other slide. So here is a better understanding how to use there is and there are. So here we have there is, and here we have there are. So there is and there are, both of them, ambos en español significan hay, that exists something. And as I was telling you, there is means, okay, that we're talking about only one thing, which is singular. There is the singular form, and there are is for the plural form. So here we have some examples about the use of there is. When we use there is, utilizamos el an y utilizamos el a or a, okay? And a. When we're talking about only one thing, cuando estamos hablando de una cosa. So let's take a look at this. There is an aquarium, okay? Utilizamos an porque la siguiente palabra empieza or starts with a vowel. In this case, it's letter A. So that's why it says there is an aquarium. That's why we use an. There is a school. In this case, we don't use an because the word starts with letter S, school, okay? So it's a consonant. The same for this one, there is a bank. And that's the way that we use there is when we are talking about only one object, one thing, or one place. It's totally different, okay, when we use there are, because there are is for the plural form. It's when we talk about two or more things, objects, or places. In this case, we're talking about public places. So it says, there are 3 malls, okay? There are 3 malls. We define, okay, with a number 3 that we have, we're talking about that there are 3 malls. And the other example is there are some basketball courts, okay? There are some basketball courts. Some is plural as well as there are. Hay algunas canchas de basketball. Court significa canchas, basketball, canchas de basketball. Okay? The other example is there are many restaurants. Okay? If you see here in there are, no se usa, in there are, no se usa el an, el a y el a. ¿Por qué? Why? Because it's the plural form. Okay? En vez de usar el an, el a y el an y el a, se utilizan ya cosas plurales. For example, numbers, okay, which is plural in this case, 3, some, que significa algunos, and many, que significa muchos. Ya no se utiliza, or we don't use an a, or a. So that's the explanation about the use, okay? There is and there are. How you can use, okay, this structure? Very easy, very simple. Let me show you. So here we have, okay, this format for you to type it and complete it. So here we have basically a conversation. using there is and there are. So it says, hi guys, how's it going? I'm great. Where are you from? I'm from El Salvador and I live in La Libertad. That's nice. Hey, listen, what public places can I find in your city? If you remember the public places, school, restaurant, museum, okay, the ones that we were practicing before, those are the ones that you can use here to complete. Well, back to the question. Hey, that's nice. Hey, listen, what public places can I find in your city? Well, there is a, and a. What about your hood? So if you see, todos los que van a poner aquí solo van a ser de una. For example, there is a basketball court, a restaurant, a school, a museum, and a lake. Okay, that's an example. Todo va a ir en singular using a, or a, because we're using there is. And then the person says, and what about your hood? ¿Qué hay acerca de tu vecindario? Okay, and what about your hood? Oh, in my neighborhood, there is a, okay, there is a soccer field, there are malls, there is a clinic, there are parks, and there are, let's see, train stations. That's a nice city as well. Esa es una agradable ciudad también. That's a nice city as well. Yeah, but could be better. Sí, pero podría ser mejor. Yeah, but could be better. Well, I have to go because I will pay my bills in the bank. I'll catch you later. Or I'll catch you later. I'll catch you later significa adiós. So ahí nos vemos, okay? That's what it means. I'll catch you later. Or another form to say this is, okay, I'll smell you later. Que es lo mismo como adiós, o ahí nos vemos después. Okay, that's what it means. So these are idiomatic expressions. I like to say, ahí nos vemos después, o adiós. I'll catch you later, or I'll smell you later. Okay, guys, so basically this is the way that you can use, okay, public places in a conversation. What public places? The ones that we were practicing before. So these are the public places. So those are the ones that you can use, okay, to complete this conversation. So the idea is that you complete this conversation and practice it yourself, okay? You can interact, okay, yourself, okay, asking, answering questions, or you can call a friend, okay, from your school. You can share this information. You can practice, okay, with your classmate, with your friend. So guys, so do it. So that's the way that we use there is and there are. There is for the singular, there are is for the plural. There is when we talk about only one thing, one object, or one place that we use this, an or a. And there are basically is when we talk about the plural things or objects or places. But in this case, we don't use an or a, sino que utilizamos ya cosas que definen un plural. Can be numbers, can be the word some, or can be the word many, que significa tres, algunos, o muchos, siempre utilizando, always using there are. So guys, basically, okay, that's what we have for today's class. Practice English with me, very easy, very simple. I continue growing using the language. So I see you later. Thanks for watching this video and continue learning, okay? So see you later.